friends, welcome to Travel Far. So this is Talai restaurant of this wonderful property called as Sands by Katathani at Khawlak. Khawlak is a area in the province called as Phang Nga in Thailand. So it has beautiful properties which are there on from 15 to 30 kilometers. Like you will find many of the five-star properties here like Pullman, Avni Plus, JW Marriott, Sands, and many others. Let me show you Talai restaurant. So as you can see, the name Talai, which means fish. So seafood is the famous for seafood dishes, and you can find all the seafood cuisines over here. Also, there are vegetarian options. It starts in the morning at 11 o'clock, and the lunch ends here at 5 p.m. Then there is a 1 hour short break for preparations again for the dinner, which again starts from 6 p.m. Let's have an inside look. As I mentioned about the timings, you can see here. So these are the timings of Talai restaurant if you need to be here. So they have everything right from vegan menu to all the seafood dishes, and you can have a la carte as well as buffet dinner as well. And you can let, if you have any allergies, you can let them know in advance. Accordingly, they can prepare. Here you can find the air conditioned restaurant of Talai, and here let's have a close look. So groups, if you have a group, family group, you can come here, or a corporate event, you can have it here. And but Talai is not famous for this air conditioned restaurant. It is famous for the beachfront restaurants which they have it here, which starts from this particular point and goes on till the deck, and then you can see the wonderful beach of Khawlak. Please come. So you can see the seafood varieties right from red snapper, tiger prawn, red lobster, white prawn. Here they have a wonderful kitchen, a dedicated team working throughout the day for your beautiful lunch and dinner with this view. Unfortunately today it is very windy and raining. That is why it is, but you can have a close look of this area. It is such a beautiful place to have your lunch or dinner in Khawlak. Hope you come here and have your dinner at Talai and enjoy this wonderful property of Sands by Katatan. Thank you.